Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vijay Lakshmi. Today I'm going to discuss about data warehouse and its characteristics. So data warehouse, we can view, it can also be viewed as a database for historical data from different functions within a company. So here the term data warehouse was coined by Bill Inman in 1990, which he defined the following way. A warehouse is a subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant, and non-volatile collection of data in support of management decisions making process. So warehouse is nothing but it's a like a storage where we collect the data and we store, and it is a subject oriented, integrated, time variant, and non-volatile collection of data in support of management decisions. So here in the managements take decisions in order to improve their business. So here how these data warehouse will help the managers in taking decisions to solve some of the business oriented problems. So here data warehouse is mainly used in decision support systems, we say. So now it has so many features. Now we'll see one by one what actually is subject oriented. Subject oriented means data that gives information about a particular subject instead of about a company's ongoing operations. So here it is a subject oriented, okay, not about the company's information, and it is integrated because data is collected from variety of sources, okay, and it is merged into a coherent. It is merged into a coherent as a whole. So since we are collecting data from different sources and integrated, we say that the data in the data warehouse is integrated. And it is time variant. It means that all data in the data warehouse is identified with a particular time period. Okay, and it is non-volatile. Non-volatile means once the data has been gathered and stored in the data warehouse means it cannot be changed. Okay, so once the data is uploaded in the data warehouse, the data can be accessed, but the data cannot be modified. So this enables management to gain a consistent picture of the business. So we say that it is a single, complete, and consistent store of data obtained from a variety of different sources, made available to end users in what they can understand and use in a business context. So here mainly this data warehouse is used by the managers in organizations to take some decisions in order to solve their business problems. Okay. So what are the other important terminologies in data warehouse means? We use these terms like enterprise data warehouse. So it collects information about subjects, okay, like customers, products, sales, assets, personnel. So that span the entire organization. So enterprise data warehouse mainly deals with these kind of things like customers, products, sales, and assets. And we use something called as data mart. Data mart means departmental subsets that focus on selected subjects. So a data mart is a segment of data warehouse that can provide data for reporting and analysis on a section, unit, or department or operation in the company. So for example, it can be a sales, production, or payroll, production information, any one particular subject. Relevant to that, the information can be gathered. So data marts are sometimes complete individual data warehouses, which are usually smaller than the corporate data warehouse. Next, we use DSS, that is Decision Support System. So this is an information technology to help the knowledge worker. It can be an executive, manager, or an analyst. They make use this DSS to take better decisions in a faster way. And next is drill down, traversing the summarization levels from highly summarized data to the underlying current or old detail is called as drill down. And metadata, data about data, that is containing the location and description of the data warehouse components, names, definition, structure, etc. Metadata mainly deals with giving the data about the data warehouse. Data about the data is nothing but the metadata, we say. So these are some of the terminologies we'll be using in the data warehouse. And coming for the characteristics of data warehouse, so I said that it is subject oriented according to the author. So data warehouse is subject oriented. It can be used for operational applications or data warehouse subjects like sales, customer, claims, policy, account, product, etc. Or it can be operational applications like order processing, consumer loans, consumer billing, accounts receivable, and claims processing, saving accounts. So depending on different subjects, either for the consumer related or the consumer loans related or to order processing, it can be any subject. Depending on that, it changes. Next, it is integrated. As we said, that data is collected from different sources. Data is available from the different sources. So a data warehouse integrates various heterogeneous data sources like RDBMS, flat files, and online transaction records. So it requires performing data cleaning and integration during data warehousing. So here the next that is data cleaning and integration we're going to see in the next coming videos. And it is time variant. So historical information is kept in a data warehouse. For example, one can retrieve files from 3 months or 6 months or 12 months. So the data will be it's not always fixed, it keeps on changing. So these variations with a transaction system where often only the most current file is kept. And it is non-volatile. Non-volatile means the data warehouse is a physically separate data storage which is transformed from the source operational RDBMS. So the operational updates like update, insert, delete operations are not performed here, and it uses only two procedures in data accessing, that is initially loading of data and access to the data. So non-volatile defines that once data is entered into the warehouse and data should not change. So it will not be changed. So what we do in RDBMS we can change, but here in data warehouse we cannot change it. Okay. So here this is about some of the characteristics of data warehouse. In my next coming video we are going to discuss about the architecture and its 7 components. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you all.